At the SAG Awards, we had the dual Logoman, Jordan Kobe.
So
for the Oscars, we're bringing out something incredible.
Yeah, so this Triple Logoman has 15 rings on it, and it doesn't have ink.
No autos on it, no autographs. What's the 15 rings?
The championships combined. The difference between this card and the other card, it's dual. 2 Logomans with 2 autos, obviously, Jordan and Kobe. This one doesn't have autos, there's no room, but they added LeBron rookie game used Logoman. It's the first ever Triple Logoman made. It's the only PSA 10, which is the best grade you can get from the most reputable grading company in the world. And it's the only PSA 10 of any Exquisite Logoman ever graded out of the 7-year run over 20 years.
So really, it's a piece unique. It's one of one.
No, this absolutely is.
All right, let's see it go on.
Yeah.
Oh, you got the one of one on there?
There is the one of one.
Okay.
The hallmarking is on the frame, and the skew is on the frame as well. It has to be.
I thought I seen a fracture in the case, but it's not there.
It's pretty snug, but I'm not gonna like super tight it.
I think now let me put on the Oscar jacket, which is Dolce, and let's try it.
Yep.
This is one crazy jacket. It took 7 months.
Oh, this is it?
Multiple people stitched this. Wow. Oh my goodness, that looks amazing. That's ridiculous. And then, of course, the sash, which I think is the little accoutrement, just a little something. Let's put it on there. The chain matches the whole thing.
Yeah.
Perfect. So here's the issue. This year, for the first time ever, the men are going to be competing with the women on fashion, jewelry, and accoutrements. So what does that mean? It means probably heavy, heavy watches, heavy, heavy rings, men with earrings, lots of diamonds. So the competition's brutal. So how am I going to compete? With this. No one's going to have this. It's one of one in the world. So what is this worth? Maybe 25 million, maybe 30 million. Nobody knows. It's never been to auction. It's only one of one in the whole world. But the Tiffany rubies and diamonds and 2.2 pounds of white gold make this the ultimate accoutrement. So when I walk that red carpet at the Oscars, grown men are going to weep. And I haven't even started with the watches yet. That's coming up next. It's going to have to be, well, let's talk about it. Diamonds, rubies, and more. It's got to be Rolex, got to be Rolex, got to be Cartier. I mean, those two maisons have been doing this forever. So they're jewelers and they're also spectacular watchmakers. And then, of course, Tiffany's just kills it in making something like this. No one's ever done this before. This is nuts, absolutely crazy. Only Tiffany's could do it. And do it in time for the Oscars, so it's spectacular. A Supreme Court ruling just overturned nearly $150 billion in collected tariffs. Businesses who paid tariffs need to act now. Wonder Trust has the specialists and systems to help you move quickly. Get informed. Register at wondertrust.com today.